Welcome to our channel where we guide you through fixing the PayPal bank linking error step by step without hassle if you're experiencing issues while attempting to link your bank account to PayPal. You're not alone. Many users face errors during this process, but fortunately, there are clear steps you can follow to resolve the problem efficiently. First, ensure that your bank account details are correct. Double-check the account number, routing number, and the name on the account matches exactly as registered with your bank. Even small discrepancies can cause an error. Next, verify that your PayPal account is fully verified and that it supports bank linking for your country. Some countries have restrictions or additional requirements. After confirming your details, try clearing your browser cache or use a different browser or device. Sometimes technical hiccups cause errors that aren't related to your information. Then pay special attention to the type of account you are linking. PayPal typically accepts checking accounts, but savings accounts can be problematic in some cases. Contact your bank to ensure your account can be linked for online payments and transfers. If you are still encountering errors, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Resolution Center. PayPal often provides specific error codes or messages with suggested actions here, so following those can expedite the fix. Additionally, ensure your bank account is in good standing and has had recent activity. Inactive or closed accounts will cause linking failure. If your bank uses multi-factor authentication, make sure you can receive any verification codes needed to confirm the link. Sometimes phone or email verification steps are required, and missing them can lead to errors. Lastly, if all else fails, reach out directly to PayPal customer support. Providing them with the exact error messages you received will help resolve the problem more quickly. Remember to keep your PayPal app and browser updated to avoid compatibility issues. Fixing the PayPal bank linking error can take time, but following these steps carefully will help you get your account connected smoothly and securely.